Good morning, Miss Neville's math students. Here's our Wednesday check-in. Class will begin today at 12:28. So I want to make sure everyone is there. We're going to practice some more on multiplying decimals just to make sure that we've got it. And then we're going to move right into dividing with decimals. This week is we've done a lot of work in a little bit of time. You want to make sure you're keeping up with us. Are all of your assignments in the green folder completed? If not, that's what you need to be working on whenever you don't have class today and before math class. Ms. Neville wants to be able to provide small group tutoring sessions for kids who really need it. So I don't know if you need the help if you've not completed the assessments or the assignments, not assessments, I'm sorry. Based on our progress, it looks like we'll be able to take our adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing decimals test on Monday. So you want to make sure you're looking over your notes, you're studying what you need to study, and you're asking the questions you need to ask. And most importantly, come to class. That's the only time you can get the help that you really need, the special attention that you really need from your math teacher, Miss Neville. I look forward to seeing everyone. Have a really great Wednesday. See you soon.